Did you know you can use AI to create stunning artwork and sell it on Etsy for passive income? Artists, designers, and even complete beginners are using Midjourney to generate beautiful digital prints and making hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Midjourney to create and sell digital art on Etsy step by step. Welcome to Wealth Automation, the channel where I turn smart tools into smarter income. If you're looking to build a faceless income stream using AI, automation, and creativity, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up, what is Midjourney? Midjourney is an AI art generator that turns simple text prompts into jaw-dropping visuals. It lives inside Discord, and you use it by typing commands like / imagine a futuristic city skyline at sunset in watercolor style. And within seconds, you get 4 incredible variations. It's perfect for creating wall art, printable posters, tarot cards, stickers, calendars, and way more. So how do you get started? Step 2, join Midjourney on Discord. Go to midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. It'll invite you to their official Discord server. Once inside, head to any newbie's room and type your prompt. Start with something simple like / imagine a minimal boho-style sun and moon graphic, vector style. Then upscale and download your favorite version. Pro tip: use terms like vector, line art, watercolor, or poster to generate Etsy-ready designs. Now let's get your art ready for Etsy. Once you've generated your art, you'll want to clean it up and resize it. Use Canva or Photopea to crop and center the image. Resize to standard Etsy print sizes, 8x10, 11x14, 16x20, you get the idea. Save it as a high-resolution PNG or JPG. Optionally, you can offer bundles with multiple sizes or even license the art for commercial use. Bonus tip: add a minimalist frame mockup using Canva to make your Etsy listing stand out. Now let's set up your Etsy listing. Go to Etsy.com and set up your shop if you haven't already. In your new listing, upload the high-quality image files, add 5-10 mockup photos, and write a clear title like Boho Sun and Moon Printable Wall Art Minimalist AI Digital Download. Use tags like Boho Printable, Digital Wall Art, AI Generated Art, Midjourney Print, or Minimalist Poster. Set your price between $4.99 and $14.99, depending on the complexity and bundle size. Many Etsy sellers make $500, $5,000 or more per month from digital downloads alone. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. Here's where it gets even better. Etsy automatically delivers the digital file after purchase, so once it's live, it becomes a passive income stream. To drive traffic, post time-lapse videos or artwork previews on TikTok and Pinterest. Test performance by running a $5 a day Etsy ad, and create themed bundles or seasonal collections for occasions like Valentine's Day or Halloween. Pro tip: combine Midjourney with ChatGPT to write Etsy product descriptions and listing titles even faster. And that's how you can use Midjourney to create and sell beautiful digital art on Etsy, even if you're not a designer. If you want me to walk you through setting up your Etsy shop or creating mockups in Canva, comment Etsy AI below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more faceless income tips using AI tools.